Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Katie and it is about time I did another dragon, right? So to stop it from being just another dragon for the sake of, although there's nothing wrong with that, I thought I would base this month's dragon on the Zodiac symbol or sign Aquarius. Being a representation of the water bearer, I thought it would be quite nice to have my dragon coiled around a water vessel with water pouring out of it. I know I don't really record me actually drawing these because it's quite difficult to do on my flat desk for filming, and I do end up with a warped image, and I suppose I do have a drawing board I can lean up against, but on the table, I don't know, that doesn't quite gel well with me. Don't worry though, at some point I will do some drawing straight on the screen, but for something as intricate as this I chose not to because it'd just be a weird shape. However, if you are wondering how I do it, I do use a compass or a circular drawing tool or both to get those shapes in, and I'll just plot them out with a heavy lead but with light pressure, and then keep working through it until I get the lines I like, and then get the old kneaded eraser on it and get removing it. And that's just in case you wondered, although there are videos of me drawing from scratch, so you know I can do it. Just enjoy the painting. I wanted to dig out my MIYA or HIMI Gouache jellies because I do really like them, and I didn't want to use the Nika poster colours at the moment because I couldn't foresee a project to continue using them with afterwards, because even though I'm quite reserved with how much I chuck in the palette, I still end up putting in too much, whereas with the HIMI ones not quite so aren't quite so bad. I think it's just because I can see the tubs of paint right there, and as well, it had been a few months since I last did a painting with these, and I'm pleased to tell you they didn't dry out. Yeah, they were a bit dry on the top, but that's to be expected, but that's nothing that dropping a few drops of fresh clean water in there did not resolve, and I am still really happy with these, although the Nika poster colours are my favourite. Now, I thought using the horoscope and the Zodiac characters and symbols would be a great way and a nice little challenge for me to get these dragons done. And for the water vessel for Aquarius, easy peasy, no problem, I can attach a dragon to that. Pisces and Aries and anything that I can't use a dragon on to hold or to illustrate, now that might prove a little bit of a challenge, and maybe that's just the kind of challenge I need. So coming up throughout the future months throughout the year, I'm going to be turning sheep or rams or goats or scorpions and lions into dragons, so that's going to be interesting, right? But me, I kind of like putting myself and torturing myself with these challenges, so this can't be any different, and I don't know, maybe this will keep me good up until May, although I am going to do these throughout the year, but you know what I mean, a challenge. I'm going to have to set myself one. Anyway, let's talk about the colour scheme I used here. So obviously it's Aquarius, it's all about water, but I didn't want to go too far down the obvious using complete aqua colours because Aquarius is also an air sign. So I thought I would use colours that would combine, or at least my interpretation of what would combine colours of air and colours of water. And obviously the water is a nice blue colour, but I wanted to introduce sort of purples and pink tones into it to represent the air, and I think having a bubble in the background, that kind of just ties in the two elements there, obviously the air one being the predominant one. I really enjoyed reacquainting with these paints. I mean, I know it had only been a couple of months and that's fine. I've been using gouache anyway, but I would say it's been these past 12 months since I actually decided to give it a try. So this was pre-YouTube, this was just purely for myself, and I hadn't got great ones before. It was literally cheap ones from a cheap art shop. So I'm glad I kind of upped my game, and now these aren't your premium quality ones by any means, but they are better than what I'd been working with, and it's been quite nice to see that they survived and that I hadn't forgotten how to use them. Is that the right thing to say? I don't know. But it was really nice reacquainting them, and I just think this will be a great project to use them all throughout. It just meant that I could add all the little bits and bobs and details and like the scales and just adding the outlines, just with a bit more confidence than perhaps if I chose to do a different media. And again, doing this challenge or doing one of the horoscopes or the zodiac symbols every month, that's just going to keep me using these paints, which has got to be a good thing, right? Anyway, it is just time for the finishing touches on here. I'm really pleased with how this has turned out though. I'm dead chuffed, and I hope you guys like it too. And I just want to say happy birthday to all of the Aquarians out there. This is for you, and I hope you like what I've done to represent your star sign. Anyway, I just want to say a massive thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it and enjoyed the finished result. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. That's great, that lets me know I'm doing a good job for you guys. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!